Good evening, guys. I'm Kino Elbasay of BD502 in STI Caloocan. I'm doing right now is my task performance in midterm, subject information assurance and security. So this is cryptography. This is the first example. Keyword cipher. To use this method for constructing the ciphertext alphabet, pick a keyword and write it down while ignoring the repeated letters. So this is the first example, assurance. So if you put this or code this in keyword cipher, this is will be the output. And the other examples like cybersecurity, infinity, sampling, morning, examination, master, system, visual studio, bachelor of science in information technology, and there are the examples if you code it in keyword cipher. So move on. KSTAR cipher. It is one of the earliest known and simplest ciphers. It is a type of substitution cipher in which each letter in the plaintext is shifted to a certain number of places down the alphabet. So this is say KSTAR cipher. This is the examples like the other one, and this is the output if you code it in KSTAR cipher like that. So move on to the third one. This is Giovanni's method or Giovanni cipher method. Around 1580, Giovanni Battista Argenti suggested that one can also pick a key letter and begin the keyword under the letter of the plaintext. The Argentis, Giovanni, and his nephew Matteo come from one of the great cryptology families of the Middle Ages. After many years of trying, Giovanni finally became the papal secretary of ciphers in Rome in 1950, only to quickly weaken from the frequency narratives to Germany and France. So, like the other two examples in keyword cipher and KSTAR cipher, Giovanni is also this is the examples, and this is the output if you code it in Giovanni cipher method like that. And this is the transposition cipher technique assurance. This is the example and this is the output rather if you code it in transposition cipher technique. And it's all finished. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Thank you and good night.